Eli here from SalesHood. Let me tell you something that is not happening enough in the world of sales enablement and revenue enablement. Here it is. We're not doing enough planning. We're not doing enough documenting our plans, writing down the why of the programs and initiatives that we're trying to support. We're not documenting who we're enabling, why we're enabling them, how are we going to measure their success? How are we going to measure the impact of the programs that we're rolling out? What leading indicators are we going to look at? What lagging indicators are we going to look at? What are our timelines? And the list goes on and on and on. We're not doing it enough. And how do I know? I'm speaking with so many sales and marketing leaders, and I'm asking them basic questions. Hey, have you seen this month's, this quarter's enablement plan? Have you seen the calendar? What are you trying to impact? And how is enablement going to help you drive those results? And while we're doing a ton of work and we're all well-intentioned, we're not doing enough of the right work. We're not doing enough of the right work in enablement. So we're going to host a workshop. We're going to share with you some templates, proven templates that we're working with our customers and that we've used over the years. Templates that way you can build a quarterly plan, an annual plan, a monthly plan. Templates that you can use to share briefing documents with your stakeholders, with the leaders in your company who are the most vested in your success as an enablement leader, as an enablement practitioner. So we're excited to bring you together. Here's how you get in. You gotta sign up for the Enablement Mastery course, which is free. And then anyone that is going through the course is invited to join us for this workshop. It's going to be workshop style. We're going to host a meeting and we're going to look at some of these templates and we're going to enable you to be better at using these templates to get your stakeholders aligned and to ultimately drive much bigger impact to the business. And it'll ultimately have a great impact on your career as well. We're calling this Managing Up. So we'll see you at the workshop. It's April 20th, 9 a.m. PST. And don't forget, the way you get in is you sign up for the Enablement Mastery course, and then you'll get all the information after that. And the course is free. This is free. We're so committed to elevating the sales enablement profession, and this is just something that we're identifying that needs to be addressed, and we're here for you.